Good morning everybody, welcome to my channel Grill Daddy India. My name is George Jacob. Today we are going to see how to cook chicken curry in Odia style. I learned this recipe from one of my Odia friend. So let's get into the video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Start the process. So first we will marinate the chicken. For that we need 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's mix this. I forgot to say, this is 500 grams of chicken. Alright, so we'll be leaving this to get marinated properly for at least 3 hours in the fridge. Okay, the ingredients what we need is 2 onions medium size, 3 medium size tomatoes, ginger. Alright, apart from this we need 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. So we'll be adding all these garam masalas. Now we'll be adding these onions. We'll be cooking the onion until it gets golden brown. I forgot to say one thing. We need to add fennel seeds in the beginning before you add the garam masalas. Alright, now the onions have turned semi golden brown. At this stage we'll be adding tomatoes. We'll be adding the ingredients. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. One teaspoon of chicken powder. And let's stir it. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add salt to taste. Now let's add ginger at this stage. Now let's wait for all the masalas and tomatoes to get cooked properly. Alright, the oil got separated from the masalas. So now it's the right time to add the marinated chicken. Now let's give a good stir. Alright, we'll leave this in medium flame for 10 minutes and then we'll add water into this. Alright, it's time to add water based on the thickness you want for the curry. At this stage you can check for the salt. Alright, so this is the right time to add the roasted kasuri methi leaves. So now we'll leave it for another 5 minutes. Alright, our Odia style chicken curry is ready now. So it's time to taste.
Hi everyone, so now is the best part of the video, the time to taste the food prepared by my husband. Let's get started. This is the chicken, Odia style chicken and rice. Let's taste it and see how it has come. So it's very nice as usual, very delicious, and I feel that the chicken is cooked properly with all the masalas in it, and it's giving a different unique flavor. As you said, it's a Odia style chicken curry, so I would recommend all of you try it out for yourself and taste the uniqueness of this combination of masalas and style. Lastly, he wants me to give the comment on this in Odia because I'm basically from Odisha, the soul of incredible India. So this is Besi Bhaleji. Thank you.
Alright, hope you guys like the video. So please, I would like to request everyone to watch my video till the end, and those who have not subscribed it, so please subscribe it. Thank you.